Okay, let's draw our cute little Halloween ghost. Come up here and start with the top of his head. I'm going to stop a little bit down. I'm going to come out like this. And this is going to be the side of his mouth. So we're going to come in like this. And draw some big ghost teeth. Put a little bit of shade like that, and then little circle, and then a bigger circle. Two little dots. His eyebrow. And then we'll come here, and we'll come on down, and then we'll draw like the bottom, like some little curvy lines. And we'll stop like that. Then over here, I'm going to come down this way, make a curve, and another one here. And then this is going to be his little hand. And then we'll put another one like that. And we're going to come up like this. Put a little bit of shading underneath. And what this is going to be, he's going to be holding one of those pumpkins. Sometimes you see kids going trick-or-treating in. Put some little curved lines, little triangles for eyes. Here's his pumpkin mouth. And then there is a really simple, cute Halloween ghost. And I just happen to have an orange marker here. Color this pumpkin in orange. It will really stand out since the ghost is white. And if you wanted to, I've got a purple marker, so I could kind of come through here, just shade a little bit around him. Oops. Kind of make him stand out a little bit. Do a little bit on this side. There's a really simple, quick Halloween ghost. Hey guys, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and hit a like down there for me, or subscribe. And if there's anything you would like to see me draw, just leave a comment and I'll get right to it and give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.